Let's look at this, guys. This is a new tool called Stagehand, and it automates browser the easiest way. So we all know that Playwright does a decent job, and you need to write specific code for specific websites to scrape the data from there. And it can be really difficult if minor changes are made in the website, and this tool solves it perfectly. What it does is it scrapes the website using natural language, and that means even if the website changes, it has the ability to read that and then adjust accordingly. I have this code here pre-written. I'll just walk through it really fast. First of all, I initiate a stagehand and look at the code. What I do is I go to Google Maps, I click the search box. So first of all, you use the go to function to go to the website, and then you use the act function to do something, and it has to be something atomic. That means you cannot ask it to do a lot of things at the same time. You just have to be very specific about it. And then I click on the search box, I write realtors in New York, and then I observe. So I use page.observe and wait for the results to load. And after it loads, I do an act, that is I scroll for 3 seconds. I'll wait for 3 seconds to make sure that everything is loaded. I do this 3 times so that I have scrolled down a decent amount. And then I ask the stagehand to extract all the realtors and the details, including name, phone number, and address. And I define the name, phone, and address using a very good plugin called Zod. So if you don't know about it, just dive into it. And then what I do is I save the data into an Excel. So you can understand that it does the lead generation in a pretty cool way. So let's see it in action. It started the Chromium uh, browser, so you can also run it in a headless way so that it doesn't pop up. But let's see what it does. You see it's writing that realtors in New York. I'm not doing anything. It does the search. See, it's scrolling. It waits and then scrolls again. After it finished scrolling, now it started to collect the data. As you can see that on the front page, we have the name, the phone number, and the address of the businesses. That means we don't have to click on every specific result to get to the data. And it's just a very simplified way of how you can collect leads. Okay, it's done. Now see, we have a lot of logs here of the data we collected, and I generated this Excel file. Let me open it up. In a matter of minutes, we collected 41 leads, just using a simple browser automation. See you later.